Students, as in the first chapter of your 11th biology, that is living world, right? So we have studied lots of things in that, but today the topic is classification and the taxonomic hierarchy, right? So today the word classification, what does it mean, right? There is a question in your mind. The classification means when you classify, जब आप classify करते हो किसी भी category को of organism, like see you have lots of plants and animals you see nearby you, for example neem, mango, all the things like that. तो अब आप कैसे उसे बताओगे कि ये प्लांट है या एनिमल, ठीक है? तो यही बताना ही क्या कहलाता है क्लासिफिकेशन. आपने उसको एक क्लासीफाई करना है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल जब कोई स्कूल में छोटा सा बच्चा है, वो आपको मिलता है, वो सेकंड क्लास का है, ठीक है? अब आप क्या करोगे, उसे कहीं ना कहीं तो फिट करोगे स्कूल में, ये तो नहीं से कहीं बिठा दोगे. यू आर फिटिंग दैट स्टूडेंट इन द सेकंड ग्रेड ऑफ कॉलम. सिमिलरली जो लिविंग ऑर्गेनिजम्स हैं उनके लिए एक प्लेस फिट है, प्लेस फिक्स है, उस प्लेस पर हमें उसे प्लेस कर देना है. यही प्लेस जो है कहलाती है हायरार्की, ठीक है? और हर एक प्लेस के लिए एक वर्ड है, दैट इज टैक्सॉन, एनी रैंक. ओके, सो क्लासिफिकेशन क्या मतलब है? इट इज क्लासिफाइंग organisms into their similarities and dissimilarities. Okay, now the next is taxonomic hierarchy. Taxonomic hierarchy. So in that, first is species. Now after species there is a genus. After that there is a family. After that order. Then there is a class, and above that there is a phylum or division. See, division we are using in case of plant classification, and phylum we are using for animals, right? Now, and the top of that category, see I have to rub that one because there is no space in it, so I am rubbing the heading. You already I told you about that, you may learn it. Above that there is a kingdom, right? So kingdom is very large, it has more number of organisms. Phylum has less number compared to that. Class is above less, and then the number is decreasing as we move from kingdom to the species. Okay, let us learn it from an example. For example, I am talking about mango. So mango scientific name is Mangifera indica, right? Now Mangifera indica has all these things we can classify. So it's a plant. So the kingdom is Plantae. Right? Now the phylum of it is Angiosperm. Because it's a flowering plant, so its phylum is Angiospermi. We are calling it Angiospermi, right? After that there is a class. See, mango seed can be divided into two cots, so its class is Dicotyledone. Right? Now there is a order. Order has Sapindales. Its order is Sapindales. Now there is a family Anacardiaceae. And genus is Mangifera. And species, you know that, indica, because found majority in India. So we are found in indica. And while writing scientific name, आप क्या करते हो, आप उसे अंडरलाइन करते हो, तो आपको यहाँ अंडरलाइन करके शो कर देना है अब एक खास बात यहाँ आप देख सकते हो, इट्स वेरी इजीली, यू कैन इजीली ऑब्जर्व दैट हर फाइलम का जब आप नाम दे रहे हो, ये हर एक टैक्सॉन है, एवरी पोजीशन इज अ टैक्सॉन, सबका एक सफिक्स होता है। फॉर एग्जांपल अगर फैमिली की बात करें तो फैमिली कोई भी हो उसके एंड में ACE सफिक्स लगाया जाता है। ओके, अगर ऑर्डर है तो ऑर्डर के आगे एज लगाया जाता है, ठीक है। और ये तो आपको सबको याद करना पड़ेगा, डिफरेंट डिफरेंट नेम्स होते हैं, राइट। फॉर एग्जाम्पल रोज, रोजा इंडिका, इफ यू टॉक अबाउट पोटैटो, सोलनम ट्यूबरोसम, राइट। सो सिमिलरली एनिमल यू कैन इजिली से पैंथर, पैंथरा लियो, ओके, एंड टाइगर, पैंथा टिग्रिस। एलिफेंट का होता है एलिफास मैक्सिमस, राइट। बंदर, most common monkey, it's a macaque. Sometimes two species and genus name will be same, right? So this is a hierarchy which is fixed for every plant or every animal, or you can say every organism you are founding, right? अब आपको क्या करना है, आपको ये पहले ऑर्डर याद करना पड़ेगा। When you move your hierarchy classes, then you will make know there should be a subclass, there should be a suborder, there should be a subfamily, there should be a subgenus and subspecies. So it's for higher level, it's not for your level, right? So this is the basic order and it's called taxonomic hierarchy, and each level in that is called a taxon. What is it is called? A taxon means any rank in the hierarchy. Any rank, it could be a family, it could be a order, it could be a any kind of example. Okay, so this is a plant example. If I talk about animal you can easily say about like man is an advanced animal, right? So for man, you know, here is homo, here is sapiens. Okay, I'll write for you. Okay, I'm not deleting it. Okay, once again, for mango, Plantae, Angiospermae, Dicotyledone, Sapindales is the order, Anacardiaceae is the family, Mangifera is the genus, Indica is the species. Now I can show you for the humans, right? So from the basic unit we are calling scientific name Homo, right? And there is Sapiens. Sapiens some will say, Homo sapiens, right? Now its family is Hominidae. It's an exception that it's end with not ACE but AE. Okay. Now this order is Primata because they have mammary gland, so we have class in that category is order is Primata. Now class, you know that humans are mammals because they have mammary gland, so their class is Mammalia. Now it's a phylum Chordata. It's very easy. You also learned because why it is Chordata, you learned in your previous classes. Now kingdom Animalia, we are advanced animals, so kingdom is Animalia. See students, you can easily make these kind of hierarchy for every organism. You know about it and you may learn it, but it's a simple example for you to understand what does hierarchy means, and every organism has this kind of hierarchy. Okay, that's all for today. Now you just revise it, reread it, and for the next lecture wait till I upload it. Thank you.